Alright, yeah, this is the escape with my only research left.
Yeah, a driving test tube.
This is my only research left.
Okay, we are losing a little bit of pieces. Bro, it looks so sick in here. Watch out for the lasers.
Okay, we're fine.
Thank God this thing's made of metal.
Yeah, I laser proof this thing.
Did you fall off?
Go.
So, I fell on the window side, so I'm just looking up the trapdoor. I'm looking outside the trapdoor right now. The trapdoor disappeared, so it's literally just a hole. Yeah, it's literally just a hole. Oh, Christ. Everything is breaking. I'm still on the seat. Okay, it's getting a bit bumpy. I don't know where we're going, but we're going somewhere. Oh, there's freedom at the end of the tunnel. Hang on, I'm gonna zoom out. Oh my God, what the hell's going on? We're stuck in a turning phase. No, we're going the wrong direction. We're going back in the cave. Oh my God, bro, this thing ain't functioning. Is there anything to wait to turn this off? No. I'm just gonna keep going in circles till I lose that piece. Oh, wait, we are going. Jesus Christ, we are just...
I mean, you kinda just had to go on without me, as I'm back and going.
No, not the train tracks. Not the train tracks! And I'm dead. I got hit by the train, and I got sent to the stratosphere.
Wow.
And I got a whole 40 gold from that.
I'm gonna catch up.
Now let's test this.
I'm not actually Don't again.
Yep. Dun 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 dun.
Becoming the shield.
Hang on, actually, you know what? You toppled me over! Is that so? I guess I was too tall, because I literally just toppled over.
I need to go stay on hard now.
I can just still control this even though I've fallen over. No, screw this. What the? Someone just fell from the sky. Someone just fell from the sky on my screen. Yeah, someone fell from the sky and just died. His name was Helper. He's dead. Yeah, he's dead, mate. He kinda just died. And I've lost my great. Yeah, you're so fine. Great, I've lost one of my cannons. Funny! I can't even use them in the bowling area, and I'm about to get shredded. Like shreddies. Yeah, they do absolutely nothing. I'm just gonna chill inside my test tube and just hope for the best. Wait, I'm actually gonna make it out of here. I'm actually gonna make it out. Yo, oh wait, I'm going to the paint area now. And I've lost my window. Yo, I'm in the paint area now.
I'm in the vulnerable area. I lost my check, but I'm still standing. I've lost my hat. I lost my goggles, and I'm still going.
Wonderful. I'm just gonna take. Now everything's yellow.
Wait, yeah, everything's red to me now.
Yeah, I have no clue where you are, but you ain't catching up to me. Do you even have your propeller anymore?
Nope, I'm still on the platform. Never mind, I'm now on...
No, I'm drowning. I'm dead.